Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, happy enjoy in this meeting. Introduce with our group. We are from fifth group, which I'm member by I'm Khalifa and my partner is Supriyaningsi. In this session, we will try explain about the topic is concept of teaching material. Okay, I will start from definition of teaching material. Teaching material are information, tools, and texts needed by teacher or instructor for planning and reviewing the implementation of learning. Teaching material are form of material that are used to assist teacher or instructor in carrying out teaching and learning activities in the classroom. The material in question can be in the form of written material or unwritten material. And then definition of teaching material is a set of material that is systematically arranged, either written or not, in order to create an environment or atmosphere that allows students to learn. Form of teaching materials. There are many forms of teaching materials such as print materials, such handout, books, module, student worksheet, brochure, leaflet, and wall card. Audiovisual such as video or film VCD. Audio such as radio, cassette, audio CD, visual such as photo, picture, model or mock-ups, and multimedia such as interactive CD, computer-based, and internet. The next, teaching material coverage. There are title, subject, competence standard, basic competencies, indicator at place, instruction for study, maybe instructor for student or teachers, and then goals to be achieved, supporting information, exercise, work instruction, and assessment. Next is preparation of the teaching material maps. In this case, we take example subject for economic SMA. Competency standard understand the concept of economic. Basic competency describe the concept of economic and its role. Learning material or material title. First, understanding of economics. Second, division of economics. And the third, economic principle. The next is analysis of the preparation of teaching materials. Competency standard, basic competence, indicator, learning materials, learning activities, and then teaching materials. Okay, for the next slide will be continued by my partner, Yannick. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks Khalifa. In this section, I want to continue about understanding student worksheet. Student worksheet or LKS are sheets containing assignments that must be done by student. Activity sheets containing instructions, steps to complete the task. The assignment given to student can be in the form of theory and or practice. Student worksheet or LKS. The steps for writing the worksheet are as follows. The first is perform curriculum analysis, R, C is BC, indicators, and learning materials. Second, prepare a map of LKS needs. Third, determine the title of the worksheets. Fourth, writing worksheet. And the last, determine assessment tools. The general structure of the worksheets are as follows: title, subject, semester, place. Study instruction, competency to be achieved, indicator, supporting information, tasks and work steps, and assessment. Instructional material versus textbook. Teaching materials are material or learning materials that are systematically arranged that are used by teacher and student in teaching and learning activities. Textbooks are a source of information arranged in a structure and sequence based on a particular field of science. Teaching materials. Generating interest in reading. Written and designed for students. Describe instructional objective. Arranged based on flexible learning pattern. Structure based on student needs and final competency to be achieved. Give students the opportunity to practice, accommodate students' difficulties, provide a summary, communicative and semi-formal writing styles, density based on student needs. Package for the instructional process has a mechanism for gathering feedback from students. Explain how to study teaching materials. And the next is textbook. Textbook assume interest from reader, written for reader, teacher, or lecturers. Designed to be widely marked, doesn't necessarily explain instructional goals, arrange linearly, structure based on the logic of the field of science. Not necessarily providing training, don't anticipate student learning difficulties, doesn't necessarily provide a summary, narrative writing style but not communicative, very solid and has no mechanism for gathering. Types of teaching materials are information sheet, operating sheet, job sheet, worksheet, handout, and module. Okay, and the last is thank you. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.